All right, I'm Dave Cates, President and CEO of Denison Mines Corp. We're a uranium development and exploration company focused in the Athabasca Basin in northern Saskatchewan. Yeah, so we have a mix of assets in the Athabasca Basin. Our flagship is a development project called Wheeler River. It's located between the McArthur River Mine and the Key Lake Mill, so it's right on Main Street in the Athabasca Basin. Our other flagship assets, 22.5% interest in the McLean Lake Uranium Mill. So that mill's operating right now. It's licensed, being fed by the ore from the Cigar Lake mine on a haul road up to McLean. And it's actually got excess license capacity, which we love as part of our development story in Wheeler River. Yeah, well, we focused on advancing our portfolio of uranium assets through a really tough part of the uranium market. And so milestones have been around bringing Wheeler River closer every year or every 2 years towards development. So recently we updated our resource estimate for the project. We now have 135 million pounds, which makes it the largest undeveloped uranium project in the eastern Athabasca. And in the next few months, we'll be completing a pre-feasibility study for the project, which will be rolling forward, well, not just rolling forward, but taking a PEA from the project from about 2 years ago and really revising the way we're approaching the project and really challenging whether we can make money in today's market, which is tough. Well, key messages around the uranium market and the way Denison fits in with what's going on. So the uranium market's been so challenging. It's been a bear market for a very long time. We see the bull market coming out of that bear market. And I think investors have to be challenged to figure out how do they want to play that. We've really set the company up to give the maximum leverage or torque to that bull market by being a strong developer, by being at the front of the line for development companies with Wheeler River, and actually emerging in this cycle by building a mine rather than just having assets that benefit from a rising price, but maybe never transform into an actual uranium mine. Well, it's a new show in Singapore, so it's interesting to understand the investors in this part of the world. I think for us, we're TSX listed and NYSE listed, so Singapore is a market that's not right on our doorstep, and we love the idea of one-to-one facilitating introductions to a series of new investors for our company.